The best place to find physical products to sell on Amazon. Amazon now makes it incredibly easy for anyone to set up their own online business selling physical products. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need an expensive deal with a logistics company. You just need a knack for spotting great products and a marketing head on your shoulders. Okay, so where exactly do these great products come from? Unfortunately, you can't choose any product you like because there's no guarantee that those products will be available for you to resell. This can somewhat put a damper on any big business plans you might have been concocting. But don't worry, there are actually thousands of Amazon products waiting for you to sell at Alibaba. Keep listening, and we'll go over what exactly that means. So what is Alibaba? Alibaba is a global B2B retailer. What does that mean? Essentially, this is an e-commerce store just like Amazon. The difference is that your average Joe cannot head over to Alibaba and start making orders. That's because the company only sells to other businesses. This might mean a karate club looking to order 100 karate gis, but more likely it will mean other stores called resellers. Alibaba is where companies like Amazon go to find their stock, and it's where warehouses and manufacturers list their products for stores to stock up on. Normally, you can only buy a product on Alibaba if you put in a minimum order. Sometimes this is a small amount, maybe 5 units, but in other cases it might be in the hundreds or thousands. The company is massive. It employs over 66,400 full-time staff, and actually held the record for the number of funds raised during an IPO in 2014, $25 billion. The company is one of the top 10 most valuable in the world by numerous measures, and was named by Fortune as one of the most admired companies. All you need to know then is that this is the place to source your products to sell on to others. You can buy them here in bulk and then sell them on Amazon through FBA, never having to see the product for real. You'll find items in any niche or industry to sell, but just make sure that the item you're looking at will meet Amazon's requirements. That means that the product needs to come ready packaged and labeled. You can either discuss this with the seller or you can use a third party. Either way, there is a world of selling opportunity to be found here, so dive in.